Section 3, Chapter 12, Al-Ihsan, charity, perfecting goodness, maybe. Mathalu ladhina yunfiquna amwalahum fi sabilillahi kamathali habatin anbatat sab'a sanabila fi kulli sunbulatin me'atu habatin wallahu yuda'ifu liman yasha'u wallahu wasiyun alim. Alladhina yunfiquna amwalahum fi sabilillahi thumma la yutbi'una ma anfaqu manna wala adhan lahum ajruhum inda rabbihim wala khawfun alayhim walahum yahzanun. Qalu ma'arufun wa maghfiratun khairun min sadaqatin yatba'uha adhan wallahu ghaniyun halim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu la tubtilu sadaqatikum bil ma'li wal adha kalladhi yunfiqu mallahu ri'ahan nasi wala yu'minu billahi wal yawm. Surah 2, Ayat 261, 265. Those who distribute their wealth for the love of God are likened to a grain that grows 7 ears, whereof each of them produces 100 grains. God makes manifold the rewards in favor for whom he pleases. God is generous, literally vast, and aware of everything. Those who distribute their wealth for the love of God, in spite of love for it, without following up what they expend with a word of condescending piety or vexation, will find their reward with their Lord. They have not to fear, neither shall they grieve. A kind word, a pardon, are worth more than almsgiving, followed by annoyance. God is in need of nothing and is indulgent. O you believers, do not vitiate your almsgiving by a word of condescending piety or vexation, like him who expends his wealth with pretense and believe. Finish the word. What's the word? Okay. Yeah, so when you give charity, don't make a point of reminding people, don't say, oh, I'm better than you and all this stuff, don't follow it by insult. Alakhere famathaluhu kamathale safwanin alayhe turabun fasabahu wabilun fatarakahu saldan la yaqdiruna ala shay'in mimma kasabu wallahu la yahdil qawmal kafirin. Wa mathalu ladhina yunfiquna amwalahum mubtigha mardatin lahi wa tathbitan min anfusihim kamathali jannatin rubwatin asabaha wabilun fatat uklaha de afehe fa in lam yusibha wabilun fatalun wallahu bima ta'amaluna basir. Inna tubdu sadaqate fa ni'ma hiya wa in tukfuha wa tutuha fuqara fahuwa khairul lakum wa tukaffir ankum min sayyi'atikum wallahu bimma ta'maluna khabir. Believes not in God and the last day. He is like a flat stone covered with soil. Let a shower fall upon it, and then it is literally, and it leaves it a bare rock. This will derive nothing from their deeds. God does not guide on the right path the misbelieving folk. And, we had they're not letting in the guidance, right? Yeah, the guidance isn't being let in. So God guides, but they're not taking it in. Those who disbelieve their wealth, craving the goodwill of God and working out their own salvation, literally strengthening insurance for their soul, are like a garden planted on the crest of the hill. Let a shower fall upon it, and it will bear forth its fruits twofold. Failing a shower, a light rain will fall on it. God sees perfectly what you do. Surah 2, ayat 271. If you display your almsgiving, it is well. But if you bring it in secret to the poor, it will be better for you, and we will remit some of your sins. God is well aware of all your doings. And yeah, you don't have to hide prayer and all that other stuff, but it's better for multiple reasons. If you have something extra that's secret. Almalu wal banuna zinatul hayate dunya wal baqiyatu sabihatu khairun inda rabbika thawaban khairun amala. Surah 18, ayat 46. Wealth and children are the adornment of our miserable life, but the things that never perish, the good works are preferable with thy Lord as a recompense and as a hope.